with open-handed generosity, I revive my body. We still live simplicity and contentment. I revive my speech with my fullness, clear and radiant. I revive my speech. I revive my mind. Preamble. With the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. Era of Constituent Assembly. This 26th November 1949 to hereby adopt, elect, and assess its constitution.
This constitution. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
जी प्रार्थना हेच आमचे मागणी हेच आमची प्रार्थना हेच आमचे मागणी माणसाने माणसाशी माणसा संवादणी सारी संपुले इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के ये देश है हमारा नेता तुम्ही हो कल के
इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के ये देश है तुम्हारा नेता तुम्ही हो कल के
दुनिया के रंग सहना और कुछ न मुझे कहना
दुनिया के रंग सहना और कुछ न मुंह से कहना
सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे को बढ़ते रहना
सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे को बढ़ते रहना
रख दोगे एक दिन तुम संसार को बदल के
रख दोगे एक दिन तुम संसार को बदल के
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vamika Rani Malpalaka. I study KG1 class. Today assembly conducted by so I would like to call Vishwa and Hershey. Pragya. Today's thought. Good morning, all of you. My name is Pragya Samemaskar. I'm studying KG1 class. Today's thought. Honesty is the policy. Today's policy. Thank you. Thank you, Pragya. I would like to call Divya. Important of the day. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Divya Vishal Kamble. I am studying KG1 class. Today, on a third day. Thank you. On third day. Thank you. Thank you, Divya. I would like to call Vishwa. Today's news. Hey everyone, my name is Vishwaraj Praveen Kawai. I have studied in KG1 class. I tell you today's news. A sparrow perches on a tree on the sparrow day in Muradabad on Wednesday. Thank you. Thank you, Vishwa. I would like to call a story. Good morning, everyone. My name is Advil Bhoje. I study in KG1 class. I am a story. Appu lived in a forest. His father is woodcutter. Every afternoon, Appu sits under a wall tree and listen to the birds sing. One day, he hears a voice. Appu, I am Grandma Tree. Everyone is cutting us down. You are stop there. If you go away, there will be sing and sad. Appu began to cry. He rushed her father's hug. Papa, don't cut the tree. I am here a bird sing. Papa, know what Appu means? It's five sister. Sorry, Appu. Let's plant tea together. Thank you. Thank you, Advait. I would like to call Nishida.
For riddles.
Harshit ji के क्वेश्चन. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. My name is Harshit Umesh Patil. I study in KG1 class. I ask you GK question first. How many there are one here? 7. Right answer.
How many days of 1 week?
7. Cricket. How many alphabet? 26. Right answer. Which is our national animal? Right answer. Thank you. Thank you, Arshit. I would like to call Nishida. Leaders. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nishida Prasad Patil. I am studying KGM class. Today I ask you some riddle. I have single eye, but I cannot see what am I. That's answer. I have no light, but I can die. What am I? Right answer. Thank you. Thank you, Nishida. I would like to call Divyaj. Today's fact. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. My name is Divyaj Lavanka. I am studying KGM class. The facts. Dolphins sleep is eyes open. One eye open. Thank you. Thank you, Divyansh. Review. It's time for review. Story was nice.